Russell, what do we think of our accommodation for the next 2 days?
Well, it's tight, it's cosy. I think we can probably put our feet up on each other's laps.
Show us where the wine is.
We do have a rather bijou snack and wine store down here. Where you can actually get an array of reds, sparklings.
Some vegan fare.
Some vegan fare. I think there's a sparkling in there. Yeah. However, the large and capacious baggage problem that we have continues.
And it's only half of the bags.
But I'm sure over the next 51 hours we will have managed to make this place not only stink but operate, you know.
This is Russell's bed up here.
I have to sleep at 45 degrees.
And this is the rest of the train going down here, which looks very exciting.
There's Curtis's room beside us.
And then we have the bathroom, coffee, the family room downstairs. Family rooms. And it's all very, very exciting. Dreams do come true. Going on a double-decker train for 51 hours. And we are off. Just left Emeryville station. And we've just learned that the dining car opens at just after Sacramento. I imagine that's in a few hours. And yeah, this is our home for the next 51 hours. This is the dining car, set out very nicely and leads into the viewing car just down here. We're heading to the bar. And here comes Russell striding down the dining car, purposefully heading towards the bar.